Okay, greetings everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer once again with another review. And today I bring you Donkey Kong on the Commodore 64, and this is the second Commodore 64 port of Donkey Kong. The first one is from a few years earlier, and I don't have that ROM file, and I don't want it either. I saw it on YouTube, and it was so slow, so I almost fell asleep. So this is a UK version, I think, from '86. So yeah, 1986. So let's go for it. I don't know if there is anyone here who don't know about Donkey Kong. You should. It's a classic gaming franchise released in 1981. In the arcade for the first time, and I play as a Mario figure here, but actually Donkey Kong was before Mario existed, so this is not Mario. This is some other figure. I don't know his name, but he became Mario later. But this game is from 1986, this port. So actually Mario did exist in 1986. So the question remains, is it Mario or is it not? Well, I don't want to go down that rabbit hole to answer that question, so it's up to you to judge that. And as you can see now, I play very badly here, because I talk so much, so I cannot really concentrate, but never mind. We can always try another one, so to speak. Okay, let's stay here and jump over the barrels. Yippee! Okay, I shall try to focus soon. Game over. Okay, I shall try to focus now. Of course, I want to talk as well when I play as well, of course. So, what is my gaming memories of Donkey Kong? Yeah, back in the early 80s, mid 80s, I played this game on Game & Watch handheld. That was my first introduction to Donkey Kong. Me and my sister played the shit out of that game. It was so good, and I miss it. I want it. I don't know if we sold it or if we lost it. I think that might be worth a fortune nowadays. So let's go up here and try to save the girl up there from the evil big ugly ape. There you go. That was the first level done. So here we go. Getting a little bit difficult here, and I should jump over here. Yeah. And try to avoid the fire there. Oops. And there we have a ladder. Oh shit. Oh no. I misjudged that jump there. So here we go again. Yeah, you can count there will be a lot of game overs here today, I think. No, don't go down here. Okay, then let's try to jump again here. Now. Let's go up here. Come on, Stu. Faster. There. There is the second level down. So now, let's see here. Now it will be a little bit tricky here. Let's collect the umbrella up here. I don't know if that's just points or if it's extra life. So let's try to jump over here now and avoid that fire there. So I shall go down here now and try to jump over here and jump over here. And now we got some strange thing going on. No! Oh no! Oh. Yeah, I must say I'm liking this game, this version. I gave it a few test runs, but I've never played it back in the day. So this is a very cool game. Very cool version. Okay, let's try again here. Let's go down here now and avoid that fire. And jump over there. Jump over here. And wait for it. No, no, no. How could he die there? He just touched the platform. It's so fragile. Come on, you have to work out a little. What the hell is that? What the hell was that? Seriously? Okay, let's try again here. I'm clueless. Okay, let's try once again here. No! Oh, is the game over now? Okay, I have to do it one more time or two more times. I don't know. Okay, I don't want to write all my name. It will take eternity. So there we go. Okay, let's try once again here. If we can finish that level 3, it would be real nice actually. What the hooligan ape. Yeah, yes. Destroys everything. Can we at least finish this pretty fast? Yeah, he throws a lot of bottles now, but hello, bottles, barrels. Okay, wait for it. Okay, that's done. Yeah, I mean, this is a game one can pick up and have a good time for. I mean, it's not a game you play for a whole day or what. I mean, it's a cool little game. Okay, now let's go up here. Man, come on, stop fooling around. There we go. Let's see now if we can finish the third level. It would be real nice actually. Let's go up and collect the... No! What the hell was that? Completely crazy. So, let's go down here first and just have a little patience here, shall we? A little bit of patience. Jump over there. And now let's jump over there. Wait for it. There you go. I should try not to be hit by that shit now. No! I misjudged it! Oh. Oh, this is getting ridiculous now. But I'm a little bit stressed actually when I get there. I need to keep my calm. Jump over there now. What the hell was that all about? My last life now, I think. That was crazy. But seriously, he's so fragile. He dies. He just touches. He just touches the platform and he dies. What the hell is that? Oh, and he didn't die there. And not there. Let's stay here and wait for it. Oh, look! I did it. And wait for it now. Oh. Okay. No! Oh my god. Why? There's a lot of timing going on here. Shit. Okay, one more time. One more time. This is crazy. Oh. Okay, one more time. This is the acid test. Acid test. Can I do it or can I not? There will be no more chances. Not in this video, for sure. So if there is any viewers who has any cool Donkey Kong experiences or memories, you can write it down in the comment section. I am very curious. Donkey Kong is going bananas here. He is throwing all he has on me. He is a real ape hooligan. There we go. So can we please finish this level as well pretty fast so I can focus on the yeah. Oh, come on, get up. No! No! Seriously. I didn't see that the flame, the fire coming down there actually. Okay, come on, let's jump. There. Come on, get up there now. Okay, now I have 2 chances, I think. The last level. Oh, the last level, sorry. There are more levels. Next level, I mean. Okay, can we get up here first? There you go. Let's jump over here. Whoop, wait. Oh shit, that was close. Okay, now. Oh, now we're talking. Oof. No! What the hell? I was so close. I can't believe it. Oh, I will dream nightmares about this tonight, I think. I was so close. Come on, get out of there. Okay, let's go up here. Wait for it. There you go. Wait for it. Now. Okay, how? Wait for it here. Seriously? Where the hell shall I go? How hard can it be? This is completely crazy. Now is this fire there as well. Very disturbing. Game over. Oh my god, it was so close. Ah, but I have to call it for today. Now, it's a very fun game. Very fun game. So I will rate this game 7 out of 10. And I recommend you check it out. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.